Scan is a great middle ground between quick scan and the full vitals or comprehensive scans. It takes about 6 minutes to complete and gives you clear, personalized insights fast. Let's dive in. Right away, you'll see the 3 key sections of Easy Scan: Inner Voice, Vitals Scan plus Optimization, Comprehensive Scan plus Optimization. Before starting, make sure your bone conduction headphones are in place. You'll need them on throughout the scan. Choose your supplement category based on the time of day you're performing the scan. Once you start your scan, you'll begin with the inner voice section, so prepare to speak for 10 seconds. We recommend starting with, "I am," then provide your full name, then continue speaking naturally for the full 10 seconds. Talk about how you're feeling, your day, or anything that's on your mind. Easy Scan will then automatically move through the rest of the sections mentioned earlier. This process may take several minutes. Once complete, your reports will appear in the same order as the scans were performed. First, your inner voice report. It highlights the emotional frequencies that were most out of balance and gives you 4 personalized balancing tones to bring you back into alignment. Choose between pulse tones and classic tones. Pulse tones let you experience your balancing tones in a more personalized way, tailored to your preferences. Classic tones offer a simpler, more straightforward approach. You'll then see your recommended Lightwave glasses colors to help further balance your emotions, followed by your personalized supplement recommendations based on the energetic patterns detected in your scan. Your Vitals report offers 2 views, classic or enhanced. Both options show what's out of balance, but the enhanced view also includes risk numbers, which help you see the level of imbalance more clearly. Scroll down to see your comprehensive report. You can choose between a table view or image view. For deeper insights and a visual breakdown, select Image View. And that's it. Easy Scan is perfect for when you want a fast, clear snapshot of your energetic wellness without the time commitment of a full scan. Give it a try.